Okay, we have a Bridgeport with a PROTOTRAK 2-axis CNC control. It was retrofitted in 2017 with a KMX model. The serial number of the machine is BR250841. We're going to run it for you. Machine has a 9x42 inch table with 26 inches of programmable X travel. You have 12 inches of saddle travel also in the Y, so you have X and Y ball screws and motors. The X is very quiet. That's your Y, it's very quiet. When you move the quill, the digital readout shows up on the control and you can do the math there, but it's a manual axis. The machine has an R8 spindle and is equipped with a quick change setup, and we have the tooling that goes along with it. He's running the head right now. The head goes up 1200 RPM. It goes up to 4200 RPM. Again, Bridgeport, very quiet. 2500. That's the brake. He's going to put it into low gear. Low gear. 300 RPM. All right. 150. Yep. This is the low end of the low gear. Also, the machine comes equipped with a servo power feed for knee movement up and down. It's variable. It also has a rapid button. All right, so it has X, Y, Z power feeds, also power quill feeds, programmable X and Y. Hey, thank you for watching our video.